Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add grain onto your pictures on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device. And once you open it up, you can use the open button or the plus icon to open any image from your device in order to start your edit. Once you choose your image, you will now be able to use various different styles in order to edit it right away. Now, if you wish to add some grain effects onto your image, then tap on the tools button. You will now see various different options where you can tap on the grainy film option to find various different grain presets. You can use the slider at the top after choosing your desired grain effect, and you may swipe to the right in order to increase the grain, and you can swipe to the left to decrease it. After adding your desired level of grain, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner, and now your grain has been added onto your picture. You can tap on the export button in order to export your image right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add grain effects onto your photo on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.